Well, good morning from Porsche Centre Chester, and we are on the Supercar Driver GT3 Tour. I say GT3 Tour because we've only got one GT4, but hey, that's still an amazing car. Got the same engine in my Spider. That car blows me away every time I drive it. But yeah, all the colours are represented, but only one crayon car. I'm really excited about that. It's the colour, isn't it? It's just so mysterious. Beautiful colour. Anyway, we are set fair. We are set to get going. So let's hit it. Well, the convoy has got going, and it's all fun and games. I don't think I've ever been in a convoy with as many GT cars ever. Even when I went to Le Mans, it wasn't anything like this. The trip to Scotland, I wish it was all maybe GT cars. But today is going to be a very, very, very good day. Looking forward to today, so let's hit it. Later on with today's tour, we're hitting Blackrock Sands now. Last year when we took the GT3 on the sands, I didn't do a video. I don't know why I didn't actually. I know I should have done. But I'm looking forward to taking it back there with all these other wonderful machines. Here we are, Blackrock Sands, yes!
Blackrock Sands, roll on.
This time we're filming, look at that view out there on that
awesome,
sea.
isn't it? Look at this, eh? What a day for it as well. Absolutely awesome.
Here's our Paul Cooper man here now. So Paul, how would you sum it up, dude? How would you sum it up? Turn around this way so the sun's on us.
Yeah.
How would you sum it up, man?
Yeah, it's really good. I've just been in the sea and it's really good, yeah.
Did a crab get your toe?
No, I started swimming to France and I thought, no, I'll turn back.
You won't be going to France that way, man.
No, Ireland that way. Yeah, but Ireland and then on to France, you know.
Can't believe that. Good morning, it's day 2, just half day today. Our cars have been cleaned. Our windscreens have been cleaned by Supercar Driver team. Think of everything, these guys. So good, so good. Not a bug on the screen. We're about to get going. Head on, blasting through the roads of Wales. Well, there we have it, our Supercar Driver Tour in Wales, the GT Porsche Drive. What a great time we've had. Hope you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you